concept, we can determine the thermal resistance of the pipe layer and the insulation layer. So yung RT1 natin will be equal to 0.0038 degrees Celsius per watt, while yung thermal resistance ng insulation will be much higher since insulator na siya. So 2.3229 degrees Celsius per watt. So we can now calculate for the heat transfer rate. Then plug in lang natin din sa equation yung thermal gradient 130 minus 25 degrees Celsius over yung thermal resistances ng dalawang layers ng pipe natin, yung pipe layer and yung insulation layer. So that will give us 45.30 watt. So this is the rate of heat transfer considering we have an insulation. So to calculate the temperature of the interface between the steel and the insulation, we can use the equation, the similar equation, similar equation here na yung single pipe layer, but yung natin, we'll just consider na one layer siya with a single thermal resistivity. So, pa-plug in na natin dito yung kanyang Q, yung heat rate transfer equal dun sa 130 minus P, since yung P yung unknown over, yung lang pala to, interface between the steel and insulation. So, one layer lang pala yung consider dito. So, here yung thermal conductivity, thermal resistance ng ating steel na 0.0038. So, we have na 130 degrees Celsius minus 0.171 degrees Celsius. So, the temperature between the interface of steel and the insulation is at 129.83 degrees Celsius. So, very close pa rin sa 130 degrees Celsius. So, yung insulation natin is very helpful para yung temperature outside is at 25 degrees Celsius para hindi mainit din sa labas. So, last slide na pala ito. Okay. So, may tanong ba related sa heat transfer mechanism? How to calculate? So, ayan. End na natin dito. Tapos, final reminders. Hindi ko alam kung, mention ko na kanina pero halos wala pa yung iba dito. Yung exam nyo, pasado naman kayo lahat dun sa 1 and 2. So, congrats. Tapos yung problem set nyo naman, pinong-perfect nyo naman So yun, basically, yes, yung ating exam ay sa third exam ay June 13.
June 13.
Okay, June 13 is a Thursday. So, same time, 4 to 6 p.m. Tapos, yun na lang naman, yung final requirement sa akin. Nakita ko naman na yung mass and balance nyo from your products. Tapos, i-check ko rin yung final report nyo kay Sir Jean. Yung sa presentation yun, nandun ako. Pero i-check ko din yung final paper nyo kay Sir Jean. Paano straight? Depende sa magiging discussion nyo. So, paano pa siya helpful sa product niyo, di ba? Ano naman yun dun sa economy, dun sa magiging yield nyo, tapos